Okay, so let's start. Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. I'm Liana from Liana Makeup and Beauty. Okay, for today video, I'm really excited to do this video because I really wanted to share with you my recent full coverage, not cakey, flawless foundation routine, and also a bronzy coppery makeup look. Okay, so very timeless makeup look. It will suit like everyone, every skin tone. So because of that, I'm really excited to share with all of you my steps, okay, and what I use to achieve that look. So without any further ado, let's just start right now. Okay, first of all, always prime. Okay, I love a good primer. Okay, very suit my skin condition, my skin concern. So this is it. Okay, first I will use this Benefit Professional primer, and also this Becca Backlight Priming Filter. Okay, actually this Benefit Professional primer, go through, this is my second tube. Because of my love and my trust, I'll be honest with all of you. If I love that product, I will say it, I love it. Okay, because of that, I just backup. I have like all that backup. Okay, so this is the full size and also the backup, because this primer is that good. Okay, maybe what suit or good for me doesn't work or doesn't suit your skin, but if you have like large pore and also just oily T-zone, and also like a bit drier on the outer perimeter of your face, I think it will maybe it will works like it works on me. Okay, so let's start. Okay, first I'm taking this Benefit Professional primer, and I will start here. Okay, this usually I have larger pore. Okay, so I bring it outward. Okay, just like that. My nose area. Okay, just bring it out. Okay, my nose area. Excuse my voice. And also my smile lines around my mouth and chin. Okay, bring it outward. Okay, like this area. Okay, just bring out in depth. Dry outer perimeter of my face. Because of that, I want that glowy illuminating product to kind of give more like really glowy skin. Okay, for Becca primer, and just take a little bit and put it here. Okay, and also here. This is my new favorite product, face product. Okay, recently I discovered this, and this is so good. So good. This is multi-purpose product. If you want like a full face, full coverage, sheer coverage, you want that natural coverage, natural finish skin, you just name it. Okay, this is a Kevyn Aucoin the Essential Skin Enhancer. Okay, I did a video on how I how I get really sheer, like natural sheer coverage with this product. Okay, if you want to watch, just go to my channel, YouTube channel. Okay, I have it there. Okay, I have review and demo how I'm using this for natural like sheer coverage everyday makeup. Okay, you can find the video there. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I get that full coverage, really flawless foundation step routine, you name it. Okay, so Okay, I will use this. Okay, this is Kevin Aucoin, says the Sensual Skin Enhancer in SX08. I have it in SX08. Okay, I'm going to take my spatula to avoid like my finger really dipping into this product. I'm taking my spatula, okay, and this is, I just take a little bit of product out. I think this much enough product with my finger, because I just want to warm up the product a little bit. So I'm taking a bit the product. Okay, so I will put this part, okay, just dot here, and also I will dot here. Okay, we the most area I will put on the area that I want to cover, just like my acne scar, and also here. Okay, so I just blend a little bit with my finger. Okay. Okay, after that I'm taking my damp beauty blender to blend again. Next step, foundation. Okay, I'm going to use EX1 Invisiwear foundation. I use it in 5.0. Okay, and also mix it with 6.0. Okay, first I'm taking the 5.0, and also I'm taking 6.0. Just blend all together with the beauty blender. Light. Okay, after that I'm going to cream contour, because this is like full coverage, full face, so I just need my cream contour. So because of that, I'm just using this e.l.f. cream contour palette. Look like this. I'm going to take the darker shade here using this brush from Sendayu Tinggi. Okay, I'm taking the darker shade. Okay, so start here, bring up here, because obviously I have rounded face, because of that, starting up here. Okay, and then bring down up until it looks scary right now, but I know it looks scary, but wait until all blend together. Next step is highlight my center part of my face. Then I'm going to use NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. Okay, I'm going to use this NARS. Okay, NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Custard. In with product in a jar, I like to use my spatula. I'm going to scoop the product out. Okay. Just taking the tip of my beauty blender to blend. So I just need to blend all the creasing first before set it. Okay. Okay, I'm taking the powder with damp beauty blender. Okay, just slowly bake. Okay.